Great choice today with the 2018 BMW 4 Series. The BMW 4 Series is a powerful machine, which comes with impressive handling, upscale interiors, and it delivers on BMW's ultimate driving machine.
This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry,
Steering wheel audio controls,
anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive,
power passenger seat,
stability control,
backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth.
Your new ride is just a phone call away.